Hello guys, welcome to another RDI episode. This video is going to be about a lot of hoodies. We got to make about 50 of them, and this is a good way to stay busy. So if you want to find out what this is going to be about, make sure you stay tuned. And yeah, let's get started with this video. We are working from the comfort of our home, and right now it's almost 7 p.m. That's one of the best things about what we do, that we get to make our own schedule. First, we're gonna make sure that we got all of our hoodies. Should be 50 of them. And this is the brand that we are gonna use for today. I mean, this is the same brand that we have used in the past. Gildan, heavy blend, 50% cotton, 50 polyester. We ordered 50 of them and they put a few extra ones. The bottom ones are gonna be for the front, and this is the one for the back. I'm going to show you here on the computer. This is the type of transfer that we are using today. Let's go to custom transfer, and this is the place where we get them from, proworld.com. And let's go up here to the one color value, and I already have the order that we placed before for this same type of material, and the quantity is the same, 50 of them, and this is how much you would pay per sheet. And we were able to get a big logo on the back and two in the front, and this is how much we would pay in the end, $94.70. This includes all the tags, and there's no shipping for that. That comes up to $1.90 per hoodie, and if you were to use the HTV vinyl, it would cost almost $2 per square foot. You still got to consider that you have to do the weed out and cut the vinyl and all that. So in the end, not only are you saving some money by using the transfers, but you are also saving a lot of time because you won't have to weed out and do all of that. So that's something that you should consider if you are just getting started in this kind of business and want to find ways to save time and save money. I strongly recommend that you guys check out this place, but I also recommend that you do your own research. If you find a better place where you can get better deals, that would be a lot better. So we got a green light. We have all of the hoodies, 50 of them. This is the 16 by 20 Hotronics from Stalls, the heat press, about $2,000, but we've had it for several years and so far so good, no issues at all with this heat press. If you're liking this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. We would also appreciate it if you share this video with your friends and relatives. Thank you so much for your support. This is a game changer, especially when you have a whole bunch of different colors. We could have done this easily with HTV or the Caesar heat transfer vinyl. I mean, if we were only to make like 5 or 10 hoodies, it wouldn't make sense to do this process. I mean, in the end, it would be very expensive. But since we got a good quantity, 50 hoodies, that's when it's totally worth doing it this way. I'm going to start dividing the logos. I made a mistake earlier. This is part of the big logo on the back, and I'm gonna cut it like this. We've mentioned this in so many videos that one of the good things about this transfer is that there's no adhesive and you can place them on top of each other. I mean, you don't really need that much of a working area, only a small table, and you can place them on top of each other. But when applying it, that can be a little of a challenge. But I mean, we have done this so many times that we are used to it. This is the one that I ruined. This should have been part of this, but see, that's exactly why they send a few extra ones, because I think they know me well. I think they know that I usually mess up. And the temperature, we're gonna have it at 310, and we're gonna give it 15 seconds. And our heat press is ready. Luis is gonna start with the orange color. He already made a couple of them just to get an idea. What he did first, he pre-pressed the garment for a few seconds to get rid of the moist and the wrinkles. Now he's gonna place the front logo, and let's get an idea of the position. Like how high or low are you doing it?
This is 7.5 and it's a medium size.
Okay, so that's a good measurement, 7.5 from the shoulder. He's not using the heat transfer tape. He's so used to doing it this way. We trust him. He's done it so many times. Now he's gonna give it the full cycle. And this can be a hot peel. And look how easy it is. This is a game changer. I am so happy that we are doing this process now using the transfers. Now he's gonna do the back, repeat the same steps. Press it for a few seconds. The pressure is high pressure, and we got the pillow. And of course we have our Teflon cover for the heat press. Now he's gonna apply the logo on the back. Around 5?
5.5.
5.5 on the back. Here you can see better the texture. I really love the feel. It's not heavy, but I mean it's nothing compared to HTV, although HTV works good too, but this one I'm more confident that this will last even longer. He's gonna do the safety green color. I usually like to get like 2 different colors so you guys see the difference, although the logo is the same color, but in my opinion it's gonna look better on this. I mean, since the green is very light.
This one will be a 7-inch since this is a small size.
Okay, so he's gonna raise it a little bit higher because of the size of the garment. All right, now he's gonna do the full cycle. Remember guys that if you wanna get any of the materials, we have the links in the description of the video, or you can also go to our website if you wanna get any vinyl cutters. Go to www.rdidecals.com and look at that. It looks really nice. Now I'm gonna do the same on the back. He's gonna repeat the same for the back. Remember guys, if you also wanna get hoodies or t-shirts, there is gonna be an affiliate link in the description of the video or the very first comment. It will take you straight to our affiliate store. We will get a small commission, just like with Amazon. Whenever you guys get anything through those links, you are supporting our channel. We appreciate all the help that we've been getting from you guys, as well as all the memberships that you guys been getting. Remember that if you want to join and support us, just go to the join button and you will get all the options available for different memberships. We appreciate your support.
But it is not our affiliate store. It is an affiliate link to some store. So it's not our store.
Yeah, it's all day shirts. I'm glad that we clarified that. I really like this combination, like the way the contrast, the light color and the black. Look at that. The cool weather is here, and hoodies are our favorite product to sell around this time of the year. So this is the perfect time to start advertising this product, and I strongly recommend that you do the same. That is, of course, if you live in a similar weather. I guess this is the very last one.
There it is, last one.
You can
Finally,
turn off the heat
rest.
press. And let me go and show you outside. It's already dark. It's not even 8 o'clock. It's getting darker earlier now. And let me show you all the boxes. They are ready here. We got 3 boxes. All right, guys, as always, we appreciate your support. If you like this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. If you want to support our channel, you can join our VIP members. Just go to the join button and you will get all the options available. And remember that you can also get all your materials and equipment through the links in the description of the video, or you can also go to our website. We appreciate all the support. We'll see you guys until the next one. Thank you.